Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We'll discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Petar Jakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. This trading week, the European assets are making efforts to resist the US currency. The euro-dollar pair is no exception. Hi Petar, could you please suggest your trading ideas for the most popular currency pair?
Hello there, traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what happened is nothing much since my previous forecast last week, because price basically traded sideways and there wasn't so much of real directional movement. Anyway, I found a very interesting potential trading idea on this currency pair because I found a symmetrical triangle according to a 4-hour time frame, and the duration of this triangle is about 1 month. So my advice is basically to watch for the breakout of resistance or support. The resistance is set at the price of 1.1410. So if you see the price trade above this resistance, then you should watch for buying opportunities, and then this symmetrical triangle will confirm further upward prices. Also, there is some head and shoulders formation, inverted head and shoulders formation in the background, which has even more possibilities. The price go and break the resistance of the symmetrical triangle. So anyway, if you see the breakout of the 1.1410, then watch for buying opportunities and watch for buying and with the target at the 1.1535. This is a projected target in case that you see the bullish breakout. In case if you see the downward breakout, then you should watch for the breakout of the support at the price of 1.1310, and this will be your key support level. If you see the breakout on this level and for the downside, then watch for selling opportunities, and the downward target in this example of the downward price is set at the price of 1.125. So again, symmetrical triangle is in creation. The price will go up or down. Watch for the breakout of the resistance for the upward prices or for the support for the downward prices.
Your forecast for the pound-dollar pair has come true. As a result, traders have gained a profit. We would be glad to find out your outlook for the next week.
On the British pound versus US dollar, what I found is very interesting, basically, because since my previous forecast, price went about 75 pips, so that was about 75 pips profit since my bearish call from my last forecast. But what happened is basically once the price reached this key support, it basically found the buyers, and there is also a fake breakout of that key support, which basically happened around 1.2695. So basically there is a rejection, the fake breakout of the key support, which is basically the sign there is a potential strength incoming on this currency pair. Also, I found a downward channel. The price basically is trading inside this downward channel for a days. And my advice, because this fake breakout in the background, because this downward channel, watch for the breakout of this downward channel from the upside, and then watch for the breakout of resistance to confirm the further upward prices. So you can watch for buy the British pound versus US dollar if you see the price go above 1.2810, because this will confirm further upward prices. And then if you see the valid breakout with resistance, the upward target are set at the price of 1.3. This is also the round number, so very key resistance. And then the next upward target will be set at the price of 1.3165. Again, watch for buying opportunities above the 1.2810. This will confirm the further upward prices. And in case that you buy and you don't know where your trading idea is invalid, the good level to place stops, for example, is that key support at 1.2695, because if the price go again there and test, there is a high odds that the price will continue downward. So watch for buying opportunities above 1.2810.
At present, most investors adjust their trading decisions for political factors. Thus, safe haven currencies like the Japanese yen are winning favor with investors amid the global risk aversion sentiment. Petter, will you please share your ideas for the dollar-yen pair?
On the USD versus Japanese yen, nothing much happened since my previous forecast. Price went up and down, sideways. But generally, I see that there is a big symmetrical triangle in creation according to a 4-hour time frame. But inside of this symmetrical triangle, I found very interesting opportunities because there is a head and shoulders formation confirmed. Most recently, basically, we got confirmed head and shoulders formation according to 4-hour time frame. And there is a key support trend line, which is still holding. But if you want to be aggressive seller, you can sell it from these levels where the USD Japanese yen is right now. But if you want to wait for confirmation, you can basically wait the price to break the support. For example, the support is at 112.40. You wait for the breakout of this level, and that will confirm potential further downward movement. And then you watch for the downward targets at the price of 111.65, like the first downward target, and the second downward target at the price of 111.20. So again, watch for potential breakout with key support, but keep in mind that there is a head and shoulders confirmed according to a 4-hour time frame. So if you want to be aggressive trader, you can sell it from these levels, or you can watch for breakout of 112.40 on the downside to confirm further downward prices. So watch for selling opportunities on the USD versus Japanese yen.
Thank you, Petter, for your trading recommendations. See you next week. You've watched the Link Up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia, Petar Jakimovic. We wish you profitable trading and have a nice weekend.